In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the match and move transition in Canva. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To use the match and move transition, I have gone ahead to set up my presentation here. I've added in elements I want to animate in here. The next thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this page. But before I do that, if there's anything you want to be in your design, you should hide it here. But if you don't want it to show up in the next page, you can simply just click on that element and maybe tone down the transparency so it's not seen. But everything you want to animate should be added on your first page. I'm going to go ahead and turn back the transparency of this image on. And now to animate the elements on this page using the match and move, I will hover these three dots and click on it and duplicate this page. Now that we have the page duplicated, I will go into the second page, which is what is on, and start moving the elements how I want them to animate. Probably maybe I want this one to come down a bit and move it here. And I want to bring this one to come up here, maybe make it bigger, put it at the center of the page. And I want the text, so maybe move down. I can as well change the text into something else. Try it and thank me later. And I want to move this one to come here. This one was originally here, and I'm going to take this one up a bit, maybe reduce the size further. I'm moving elements how I want them to animate when I'm done with this whole page. You can go to position, go to layers, and arrange them how you want them to appear. I'm going to move this one to the top, bringing every other thing to the back. Look at the way it is on our first page, and this is what we want it to look like on our second page. Now, once you're done with this part, just hover your mouse around these two pages. You should see add page and you should see add transition. You're going to click on add transition and we're going to click on match and move. And now you can increase the duration or you can leave it as is. Let me increase it to the highest. The page duration here is on 1 second. And if you click on present, let's see how this animates and go to autoplay and present. You see our animation. You see how easy that was. Let me know if you have any question in the comments. We'll have a good one.